I'm called Vanessa Bironji.
Father, if you gave me Rita as my wife.
God.
Wait, wow. Dada.
There is always a way. Faith.
No problem.
Vanessa is the right woman to marry. Very soon she's becoming your sweetheart.
I pray that you change her punishment. She's going through a lot of pain.
Do you know the kind of family you're playing with?
Don't do anything that you regret for the rest of
All my children and my family will have a share of my property.
Every property of yours bears my late mother's sweat.
There is no time to waste. We have to look for money.
But I pray.
Just know that I'm going to kill your mother. I'm going to kill her the way I killed your sister.
You're also a woman like me. God will judge you.
Bamote.
This guy is so bad-hearted, so evil, so
All because of stupid accusations that I never even get to understand.
Are you not even ashamed of yourself?
The man I loved and trusted so much has turned against me.
Look at yourself.
Ever since that woman came into this house, I see her as nothing but a burden to me.
Really?
Yes.
Critics are calling it beautiful.